Hello, thank you for dropping by. It's Peggy Jo of Peggy Jo Creations showing you one of my pendants. It's on a very narrow black ribbon. It's hard to see because it's on a black background, but trust me on that one. We have a round pendant that's about the size of a 50p piece, and it's got beautiful colours within it. It's got deep reds and purpley, pinky purples, and then it's got turquoise, and it's got iridescent sheens within it. I'm trying to get it in focus so you can see it better. It's up for sale currently on FOLKSY, on my Peggy Jo Creations shop. So if you'd like to check it out, it's on a metal background, and then the dome is glass, and it's a cabochon that I've decorated using the acrylic paint pouring method. Each one of these is individual, no two are ever the same, and they look stunning when you wear them. There we go. So there's some iridescent in this. I think all of it's iridescent, and it shows up very well. It looks a bit darker in the flesh. And if you'd like to buy it, it's on my FOLKSY shop, which you might be viewing this on the FOLKSY shop. But there we go. It's got a lovely pattern, swirls, and there we go. Thank you for dropping by. The length, the ribbon is about 32 inches drop and about 12.5 inches, 32 centimetres, sorry, and about 12.5 inches drop.